In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize calendar in Notion. If you've ever felt that your calendar looks too wide, too cramped, or simply does not fit the layout you want, this quick adjustment can make a big difference. By the end of this video, you'll know how to customize your calendar size so your workspace feels cleaner, more organized, and more comfortable to use. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Notion account. Once you are inside Notion, take a moment to look at the left side of your screen. This area is called the sidebar, and it's where all of your pages and databases are stored. From here, locate the page that contains the calendar you want to resize. When you find it, click on the page to open it, and you should see your calendar displayed in the main workspace. Before we resize the calendar, we need to prepare the page so it can support layout changes. Scroll slightly below the calendar view and click on an empty space. Then, type the / command followed by the word column. This shortcut opens a menu that lets you insert different layout elements into your page. From the available options, choose the 2-column layout. Once selected, your page will be divided into 2 vertical sections, creating a structure that allows you to control the width of your calendar. Next, go back to your calendar and hover your cursor over it. On the left edge of the calendar, you'll see a small drag handle appear, usually represented by a group of dots. Click and hold this handle, then drag the calendar into one of the columns you just created. Release your mouse once it's inside the column, and you should see the calendar neatly snap into place. Now that the calendar is inside a column, resizing becomes easy. Move your cursor near the edge of the column until a vertical divider line appears. This line indicates that the width can be adjusted. Click and hold, then drag the line left or right to resize the calendar. Take your time adjusting it until it feels balanced, making sure it's wide enough to be readable while still keeping your layout tidy. And that's it. You've successfully resized your calendar in Notion. Small layout changes like this can greatly improve how your workspace feels and functions. Notion is designed to be flexible, so don't hesitate to experiment and refine your setup until it matches your workflow perfectly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.